Ready to ditch that American Express card and simplify your finances. This guide provides a quick and easy step-by-step method for closing your American Express credit card online. First, open your web browser and navigate to the American Express website, which you can find by searching American Express.com. Log into your account using your user ID and password. If you use two-factor authentication, make sure to have your secondary verification method ready. Once you are logged in, you'll be on your account dashboard. Look for the account associated with the card you wish to cancel. Click on that account to access the card details. Within your account details, you need to find the account services section. This usually has a small gear icon next to it. Now, inside the account services section, search all available options for something that clearly is labeled close account or cancel card. Click on that option. You will now be taken to a confirmation page. American Express may ask you to carefully review some important considerations before you close your account. For example, you may be asked to transfer your rewards points, and they might offer incentives to keep the card open. You may need to check a box to indicate that you understand the closure terms and you are ready to close your account. Finally, click the Confirm or Submit button to proceed with the cancellation. After submitting, you should receive an on-screen confirmation that your request to close your American Express account has been received and is being processed. Amex may also send a confirmation email, so be sure to periodically check your email inbox. And that is all. Closing your Amex card online is that easy.